Hi everybody and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna be talking about this issue that you can see. So the full screen is black and the small menu is just so small that it doesn't make sense. What you want to do is to make the full screen. So how are we gonna about doing that? Let's start the system. I'm doing this on my virtual machine. So I just open and now I want to change that. It looks ugly. Why it cannot fit on a full screen, which it may look better, right? And you probably have a different theme. You want to put a different color on the fonts. So there are a lot of options and you can try many of them. First, let's open the system with the root access. If you don't have like that, you can try to use the terminal. How do you do that? Well, you use the terminal and you just do sudo and then you put the name of your file manager. In case if it's a tuner, you do like that, and then it will ask for your password and then it will open. And from there you go into the location where you want to go. Okay, now that we are on a directory, we're gonna go to etc. On all the Debians, at least the ones I've been trying, if you want to find Grub, you have to go to the default folder, which is this one here. For instance, if you want to find the Grub, which is here in this case, but on Kali, it's inside of this folder. But on this one is here. We're gonna open this, and in this line is what we're gonna change, and more specific, the size of the screen, because that is the size that shows when we boot. So the size that we want is the full size of your screen. So if you're not sure what size is your screen, you can go into your settings, go to the display, and it should be here. So it can be any of those. So you just choose what are the size of your virtual machine and then you select the one you want. So here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the right size of my screen, which is this one. Now I'll save. But before I reboot, I need to do something else because I changed something on Grub, and it's very important. When you change, you need to update the Grub before you do a reboot or even to switch off your system. So beware of that. We don't need this no more, and we don't need this no more, but we need to open the terminal, and from here, let me just increase so you guys can see. I need to do sudo grub. That is the full line. So grub -mk config space -o, not 0, it's the letter O, space /for boot /grub point cfg. From here, I want to update the Grub. Ask for the password, and that's it. So now we're gonna reboot and see if the changes are done. So let me just do from here sudo reboot. And that's it. Now it displays the full screen. To me it looks better like that, but of course, as I said before, you can change, let's say, the theme or the background. You can change the colors of the fonts. You can do a lot of stuff, so it's up to you what you want to do. But just beware, every time you make your changes, you need to make sure you open the terminal and do that line, because it needs to be updated, because if not, it can cause issues, or you won't be able to boot, for instance, or the changes are not gonna work. So always do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye.